This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, you will learn all there is to know about the Retrieve Asset Issuance History node and how it's used in Catenis Flow. The Retrieve Asset Issuance History node on Catenis Flow allows you to view the entire history of issuances for a given asset, or token, as well as virtual devices it was issued to. It allows you to filter based on a date range, amount of assets, and skip a number of assets. Name the node using the Name field and set a Catenis virtual device in the Connection field. Enter the asset ID of the asset you wish to view the asset holder for into the Asset ID field. This field is required. To set a lower limit for the time period you wish to see history for, enter a start date into the Start Date field. To set an upper limit for the time period you wish to view the history for, enter an end date into the End Date field. If desired, enter a limit to the maximum number of asset holders you wish to be returned in the Limit field. If you wish, enter a number into the Skip field to skip listing a set amount of asset holders, starting from the top. Now, let's take a look at the example flow found at this link. Copy the example flow, click the Node-RED hamburger menu, and click Import to display the Import Flow dialog box. Paste the flow into the Import box and click the Import button. This flow is a working example implementing the Retrieve Asset Issuance History node. Note that after importing the example flow, you will need to set the Catenis Flow nodes to your own previously configured virtual device. Before you can use the example JSON object, first replace the example asset ID with your own asset ID. You can pause this tutorial now to explore this flow on your own, and in the next video, you'll learn how to create this flow from scratch. Excellent! Now you should understand the Retrieve Asset Issuance History node. Up next, you'll learn how to use the Retrieve Asset Issuance History node in your own flow.